big blast of wind. Peace, 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 love, oneness, and divine vitality on these energy grids. Come. Yep, Pawpaw coming through. Tonight I'ma lay my head down and get down with these down home blues. Oh, Ellie, them ancestral songs and the oneness in it. I'm not finna do this energy grid read and allow Salem to sit here and play with this ancestral necklace. And you will turn into a whole jungle gym. No ma'am, sir. Sir, ma'am. Souls. Okay, we started out right. So with that being said, welcome to my channel. We're uplifting the soul to inner self-empowerment. Is the goal. So, that being said, take it from the top. Charging your water. Got the Trisket. Y'all already know what's up. Selenite. The divineness in charging your water. So, y'all already know what's up. Parallel universes. So many different portals. So many levels of consciousness. And the psyche in it. Wanting to do the work. Like, And I'm gonna leave it right there. Wanting. So, that being said, I'll share the Pawpaw James coming through for this divine channeled energy grid message. And divine grandmama coming through on this divine message as well. So, all ancestors, Ashe, all ancestors, giving honors to supreme frequencies of divine bright lights, divine healing frequencies. Ashe. Return to sender any frequencies that does not resonate. The ancestors doing it for us, baby. You ain't got to do no return to sender. It ain't doing nothing but giving them another percepted illusion of what your energy could be. And that version of you has been dead and gone. Okay. You say, you like it, I love it. Don't mean I have to indulge or entertain it. With that being said, I do recall, let's take it from the top, y'all. I do recall speaking about how your sexuality has nothing to do with your spirituality. So there's no labels. There is no, baby, doing shadow, there is no label. So why they thinking they want this lesbians or LGBTQIA? And then I got on here, pedophiles in the ethers. Like, this is deep. Especially for ones that are carrying labels like studs or bisexuals. If there is any pedophile freaks, you like, ooh, and this is where I'm with me. If you're having a daydream or a prophetic vision of somebody doing something to a child, baby, you got some pedophilic energy around you. Like, this is deep. Why you think all this is being exposed right now? Especially when we're talking about the men gatherings and the meat eating with the men gatherings. Like, this is deep. I remember when I got the download about Atlantis and how we divinely use alchemy to transmute with masculine and feminine, and reproducing with that at so many different frequencies. So, ain't no labels. It's time, beautiful souls, especially the LGBTQIA community, doing the work, doing the shadow work. Because this one community, baby, swimming in them ethers. It's a lot of beautiful souls that are getting their energy harnessed and harvested with these pedophilic energies. And we talk about, we see it. Sitting up in here playing in the ethers, we see this. So with that being said, that's deep. I got a whole download of and this is a Sangoma that's handicapped. This Sangoma that's handicapped. He literally targets, and this is deep when we're talking about Ifas and Babas. They will target certain ones, especially you label yourself as a stud, they like to go for you first, for the simple fact that you are to submit to masculine. No, baby. Let's turn it off for 1 second. You don't need a man to submit. It is manipulation. Know thyself is within. Submitting to your own divine masculine and your own divine feminine. See, they coming to you because they weak, baby. They need some power. They need some energy. And for you to submit, you're submitting your energy to them. Ooh, it was triggering them bad, baby. Ifas and Babas, you have to submit to who? And baby, and then the thing is babe, I'm listening to I done tapped into your code. You helped me have a death and rebirth with my Ori. I tapped into Aashuq, Olokun, Olodumare. I tapped into the Orishas instantly. Just from manipulation of wanting to submit. Baby, my masculine came in and it came in hot. Olokun is not a joke. Keep playing. You ain't doing nothing but playing with yourself. Oh. And that's law. The law of attraction. But we get it. We get it. Like I said, babe, I talk of this ain't nothing new to this, true to this. Talk about it. Because what you ain't healing in your subconscious is showing in your reality right now. So yeah, keep speaking your truth. Keep standing in your truth. Stay on your throne. It's crashing. Yes, I wanted to speak to the LGBTQIA community about this. Yeah, for a long time, I was labeling myself as a stud with unbalanced masculine. But baby, when I started doing the work and speaking my truths and everything around me, innately feeling and knowing that it was not love, I removed myself. I removed my energy from everybody, everyone, everything. If it ain't true to you, it don't need to be there. And then the depths of the trickery, oh baby, they sitting in their souls and they thinking about it. If they ain't thinking about it, they gon' higher self spirit gonna come too. It's gonna come. It's a coming. It's a coming. Well, let's get back to these downloads I was spirit led to write down. You know, the masculine disguised as feminine and feminine disguised as masculine. Then when we were talking about the trafficking, you know, I got Nigeria, I got Siberia, I got Mexico, I got Tijuana. There's several more. I said, we know about Rome. We know about Europe, you know. We know about Greece. We know about the British. You know, this is, like I said, it's a big table, and all of them got flags just standing up, a flag representing them. Yeah, I'm saying it. I know you out your everlasting mind talking about some P. Diddy. Pull that curtain back. We see y'all, especially you reptilians that's sitting there wanting to expose somebody like you sitting in power, but you need some melanin in your vessel to even sit in that power. Your time is up. As we speak our truths, knowing who we are. Time is up. Sitting up here acting like it's a distraction. 11/11, a distraction with these invasions. It's been invasions, baby. Just like it's been a lot of deaths and rebirths. What do you think celestial ancestors are? Inner terrestrials, outer terrestrials, supreme being terrestrials, outer earth, outer earthly plane terrestrials, inner earthly plane terrestrials. Aashuq. They wanted me to make sure I said it specifically. Anybody focused on that? You must be out your everlasting mind. And the truth ain't in it. Like I said. I want some stuff, electricity and all the 12-12 coming around. It's a lot of divine alignment because a lot of stuff is crashing. Worried about rent and utilities and all this stuff. Crash the whole matrix. Shut it down. Babe, I'd rather live in mud and tree trunks. I'd rather live built with earth. That's just me. So come on now, Soul Tribe family. We reign to talk about these things. What ET say? Phone home. Already here. Soul Tribe family, you already know. That's tapped in, tapped in. So, oh yes. Oh yes. Not stopping nothing. As long as you keep speaking your truths, doing the work, being you, being love, being your authentic frequencies of love. Just be. Just be. Chill, vibe, feel your space. Now, as you do that, are you breathing? How are you breathing? It's like making love to the prana.
Can you like
to your breath.
breathing
in. I'm in the middle of the read.
I still talk, but I need to go to the closet.
Okay, you can go to the closet.
Not looking like this.
Well, wrap a towel around you. Let's see what you get. Middle of the read. Go on now. Nobody's sense. So, okay, what else I write on here? That's another thing when we're talking about, we don't need the cards. When you ascend past the constellation activations, the zodiac activations, you activate the constellation. So, ancestral frequencies did more astronomy with the constellations. When you're dealing with certain frequencies of sorcery, they're going to go by the zodiacs, and they only stop at 12. They don't do the 13. And that aligns us back to any beautiful. So that's when I cut course and just jumped. I did a whole quantum leap. Jumped straight out of that parallel universe. Because when I seen the message said, I don't know what she talking about. I need the dick. I need the penis. We need the penis. Baby, who you sound like? I specifically got the download about Atlantis, Talos, Lemuria, when masculine and feminine united in reproductive frequencies to shift and change paradigms so that we could be here today in divine frequencies. And you sitting up here worried about some penis and sperm and just this one specific frequency of reproduction, baby. Tap into a high frequency. I blocked and deleted people instantly. Feeling all that hurt and pain and confusement. You're not doing sexual alchemy right. How can you even open up to frequencies of levitation? Somebody needs to hear that. If you get that tingly sensation down there all the time, and your first reaction is to have sex, it's much deeper than that when we're talking about alchemy and sexual alchemy. That feeling, you can harness and harvest a thought pattern and manifest it instantly just from having that sensation on your womb that creates. Are we ready to talk about it? 1717. So to just sit up and lay, no. Sit and lay around, chill, and talk all the time. What is it gonna do and benefit for the people? Then if you coming around gossiping, I don't want to hear none of that. It's about the alignment. Are you paying attention to the alignment? Baby. So, catch that. That's how I do. Energies come through. If energies literally want to come through and play peekaboo and feel like they need their answer, I give it to them right here on this platform. That's why it'll come straight through. You'll hear me say Akasha or Sankofa, baby, but take it how it is. You know who you are. We ain't out here playing. Didn't come here to play like that. Let's go back to that know thyself. There's another knowing thyself. Listening to your intuition tells you everything for your protection. So when you know thyself and you're doing the work as it dismantle and diminish a lot of things, it will show you what needs to be around you and what doesn't. That's protection. That's doing the work and getting to know thyself. Still looking for an early version of you. At this time, it's crazy. It's fine. I'm saying it in English. In English. So, that being said, knowing thyself for your purest protection. And y'all heard me talk about the meat eating with the men gatherings. And this is deep. This goes back to, this is before Friday the 13th and Knights Templars. This go way back. Way back. So when we know who we are, nobody can tell us otherwise. Nobody can tell us who we need to be. And take heed of them. People telling you who you need to be and ain't doing no work. I don't. God, baby, ain't doing a lick of work. Who are you to tell me what I need to do for me? And so, look, just show you, this is why they getting karma 10 times faster, telling on yourself. You think that you can do this dark stuff and then go lay your ass in the grass and ground? Do it. Keep doing it. Oh, keep doing it. You're doing us a favor. Keep doing it. Are you serious? Go do a death spell, some dark magic, and then take your ass outside, put your bare feet in the grass. Oh, yeah, you releasing all right. Yep, you sure are. So you ain't got a question, like I said. Calm, then the reaction. Calm, then the reaction. Calm, then the reaction. And at each time, it intensifies. So yeah. Whatever energy you choose to sit up in. I just heard that song. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Let's heard it again. What? Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Baby, no, you ain't never gonna get it. Why don't you sit and do some work and play in your own energy? See what your energy like. Cause the only thing that's messing with, like, baby. Think it's a game of beautiful souls be talking about entity attachments and all of that. Don't nobody want to be around all that. Think it's a game and the ancestors is doing it for you. Baby, this time come and you're gonna come correct and don't come at all. And the ancestors like, some of them don't even get that chance. Don't even get that chance. Some just wanted attention and the people please so bad they just went straight to groups. Everywhere they seen an aunt, they accepted a friend request. Get out of here. None of that around me. I had to understand that when I was doing all that people pleasing. The more I sat with myself, it's not, they don't get it, that's where they get it twisted from, because they don't, some of them aren't even allowed to do that with themselves. They've went to the depths of so much to just be by themselves. It's, oh no, they gotta have somebody around them. They gonna feel all type of stuff, all type of shadows coming back to them that they need to work on. Nobody finna be sitting around playing with these energies either. Can laugh and joke all day, every day. Energy don't lie. And I ain't finna sit and play with nobody's energy. especially ones that don't want to do the work. You can go about your business. Ain't really got nothing to speak about, especially if you running with frequencies of gossip and low vibrational energies. You can't step to me and talk unless you come correct. And with that being said, when you speak, I do not have to respond. So I'll just look and go back right doing what I was doing in my energy. And keeping it protected, baby. Keeping it protected. It's not in their rule books. I know y'all heard that. It's not in their rule books because it's not their life. Mm, 2552. There's a lot of that going on right now. As above, so below. It is a lot of as above, so below frequencies going on right now. With that being said, what your signal doing? What is your signal reciprocating? What is your signal channeling? Cause baby, that's a lot of old baggage. Shit nobody wanna have to carry. But yeah. Like I said, this ain't no, this deeper than a distraction. A lot of stuff is unfolding, guys, as divine order is at play. And if the electricity go out and things crash, it's only going to be temporary, and it's for divine order. Like I said, all this rent, utilities, and all this government rules and regulations. No, we're going back to universal law. That building it's not being replenished. That one, they're vacant. Break them down, remove all of that, put the soil back right there. We're going to put grapes right here. We're going to put apples over there. We're going to put oranges. Make the land back plentiful. And it still has to be divine order. Can't be careless out here. You can still see it. Have somebody open a wrapper of candy and just throw it out the window. No, baby. Oh, no. Like I said, I put that content, it's down in here below. Everything is a vibration, frequency, and energy. And that's, once you dispose of it, it's trash. It's mess. So throwing that out, it's a frequency of trash and mess. And you put that on earth, that trash and mess. What do you think you're going to get back? Trash and mess. Next to godliness is cleanliness, or some order, some discipline, some strategizing. If you got a mess all over the place, that your mind will be a mess. When it's clean and organized, you can have cleanliness in an organized mind. It's back to the basics with everything around you and everything you feel around you. Let them hate. Let them hate. You doing me a favor, baby. Let them be jealous. You doing me a favor. Let them sit in ignorance. You're doing me a favor. And if I had to die, let me die and come back resurrected. Who is y'all playing with out here? Oh, baby. That's deep. That's Sankofa and Archangel Tahariya. Whoa. Ooh, baby. You might get you a taste of it, and it's gonna bite you back. You know, that's just that deep. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about, y'all. That shadow work, and you don't need a man to submit. And when they say that, it's manipulation, yo. It's knowing thyself and going within. And the submitting you are to do is to submit to your divine masculine and submit to your divine feminine. Quit playing out here. Quit playing in these spiritual streets. And it's just like that. So with that being said, y'all already know, Soul Tribe family. Always peace, love, oneness, and divine vitality on all energy grids. Aashuq.